Your Excellencies, distinguished Excellency, the man of the people, the #1 citizen of our great state, His Excellency, Sir Siminalayi Fubara, Grand Service Star of River State, KSC, the Executive Governor of River State, arriving, celebrating the game of Polo right here at the Port Harcourt International Polo Tournament 2026. Your Excellency, you are most welcome. Your presence gladdens our hearts. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, let us introduce you to our dear Governor. And as he moves around to greet and salute other very distinguished guests who are here today.
Also here, Chevron Grover is here, Adoke Boki is here, just name them, on and on. His Excellency has taken the ceremonial role. Thank you so much, Your Excellency. Please, can you put Iyene Amatakabo is the chairman all over Nigeria of the association that is playing today. Today, his team is...
You know, whatever I say these days is always taken out of context. So I don't even know what to say. But what is important is, I'm here, I'm still the governor of River State, and we will continue to do what we have promised the Rivers people that we will do. And I'm really happy that you had your tournament for 1 week, and the president boldly telling the world that there was no incident. It shows that we are working and River State is safe. That is the most important thing. And that is the basic responsibility of government. I'm here for 2 reasons. The first, I want the president to understand that he's not the one that made me to attend this event. I'm here because of my late brother, Engineer Architect Roland Kukikan. Fortunately, the wife is here and the son. I did promise I will come here to honor the memory of my late brother. Secondly, the president and maybe very few people that are very close to me ambushed me some days ago. And he said, if I don't attend this event, that he was going to stop some things he promised he was going to do for us in River State. And I was in between the devil and the deep blue sea. While I originally had in mind to come here for my brother, I said, okay, let me use 1 stone and kill 2 birds. And notwithstanding, we must move on. We must carry out our responsibility as government, and we must continue to support everyone who means well for River State. So I'm here on behalf of the government and the very, very wonderful people of River State to say, he has mentioned a few things, some of your problems. I'm not going to support you to buy a trailer, but I will help in improving the status and place of this club. That is my promise to you this night. For all our guests enjoy our states, take home the story that it is not what you hear in social media or what they tell you in this European media. Rivers State is safe. For me, the life and property of everybody living and doing business here is the most important thing to me. I will not, for any reason, support directly or indirectly any act that will endanger the life of anyone. I make this promise here. I've made it severally. I'm saying it again this night. So, we wish you well as you go back to your places. And for those of you that will continue the enjoyment this night, it's just unfortunately that I can't pay for everything, but enjoy yourself. Huh? Thank you. I believe next year I will be in a more better form to be with you from the beginning to the end of the event. Thank you, and may God bless everyone.
Thank you. It's important that we are here. Your Excellency.
Oh, thank you very much, Eze Okay Bakasi. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Because if I leave you here, I will talk to you tomorrow evening. Look up here. Oh, waiting for. Please, all the cameramen should move away completely from the safety zone and the VIP area. Please, please, all of you. Thank you. Okay? Can you set back a bit, sir? That cameraman there. Oh, my one! He's a goal! And Ghana has won! Ghana has won eventually. Wow. Spako, don't arrow me. Look at that, a quick one from the hands of who? Look at that, his elder brother, and it's no one but Abdul Malik, the ball right at his disposal. Abdul Malik, and that's a wind up on the ball, rolled over, and now play to the right.
Everybody move back for your own.
The goal, George. What a save! What a save from Edie. And he returns it, and he puts it in. Here's the goal! Look at that! Look at that! Lovely goal from there by up two other goal judges with red flags. And on the field we have two off corners. And we have a special man who will call the third man is there with you at the VIP watching the proceedings on the field. So that makes Polo exclusive compared to every other games. This game has 7 judges, 4 goal judges, 2 umpires, and a referee. The third man is the one we call the referee. If the 2 umpires on the field are having situation or issues on the field with the players they can no longer solve, or they see it's becoming cumbersome for them to handle, they can easily consult the third man, and that makes him relevant in the game. Moving in there, and the man, and the man, 40, 30, oh, he missed it, and also Dante missed it. Look at that, a big one, and he's no one, and Tijani did well. It's not easy. Do you know how many kilometers all the way from Ibadan to Port Harcourt? Not to talk of coming from Kano to Port Harcourt. And they came, they saw, they drew. Umpire horses. Umpire horses. Sponsored by Rice Vest, gets a $50, 50 Benjamins. Wow. So far, the last match of the tournament, the MVP stands opportunity of getting 50 Benjamins.
The cup for which the biggest teams all over Nigeria, Argentina, England, America, South Africa. This is the reason why all of them came all the way to Port Harcourt, the Garden City. Can you put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen, for the arrival of the biggest trophy of the 20 Harcourt Polo tournament in runners up. The winners of Roland Kokiga Memorial Cup Abdul Gagari is also playing, also won. Suleiman also won. Dr. Omar Nagogo. They are the runners up. A cash donation from the representative and Ahmed. Go one after the other, receive your trophy and start. Can you put your hands together? His first time in Port Harcourt, he is going with our trophy. The main trophy for one of the main cups. Thank you.
All right, look up everybody.
It's a main cup, one of the main cups. Join and receive your main trophy. Abdul Rahman Mohammed.
Okay.
And the captain and patron, he'll be free. Receiving the main trophy of King Professor T.J.T. Princewell Cup. We're inviting His Excellency to us. We love you. We love you. All right, players, are you ready? His Excellency has said, enjoy everything. So, President, for the biggest cup. Over. Abdul Malik Badamasi and the captain among the runners up. And the winners, Malcolm Mines, Argentina, all the way from Argentina. And Issa Kwame Gimbas. And His Excellency to Issa Kwame and all the members of the team. Malcolm Mines. Have won. Captain, go back small, make sparkle face. She knows him black well. And the goalkeeper near will go. I can see the chairman of the tournament, Teller Attorney, together with Prince Henry Abojan, presenting a special trophy to His Excellency the Governor of Rivers State, the young and dynamic, extremely intelligent.